Can machines replace human customer service representatives? This question is more relevant today than ever before as we usher in the age of AI in customer service. The rise of AI in this field has been nothing short of revolutionary. Chatbots, virtual assistants, and other AI technologies are now providing support round-the-clock, resolving customer queries in a heartbeat. The benefits of this transformation are hard to ignore. Efficiency is at an all-time high as AI-powered customer service tools can handle multiple requests simultaneously, reducing wait times significantly. Furthermore, these technologies are incredibly cost-effective, cutting down operational costs for businesses. And let's not forget the convenience of having customer support available 24/7, a feature that's especially appreciated in our increasingly globalized world. AI seems to be the future of customer service, but is it all positives? Let's delve deeper. While AI offers numerous benefits, it's not without its limitations and ethical concerns. Let's talk about these. One of the main limitations of AI in customer service is the lack of empathy. While AI is brilliant at dealing with straightforward queries, it can struggle to understand and respond to emotionally complex situations. This can lead to frustrating customer experiences that lack the human touch. Then there's the potential for misinterpretation of complex queries. AI might not fully grasp the nuances of human language, leading to misunderstandings and dissatisfaction. Adding to these limitations, there's the potential for misuse of customer data. AI systems can collect vast amounts of data, and if not properly safeguarded, this could lead to breaches of privacy. That brings us to the ethical considerations. We need to ensure privacy and transparency when using AI in customer service. Customers should be aware of how their data is being used and have control over it. Clearly, while AI has much to offer, there are serious considerations that need to be addressed. Despite the limitations, can machines and humans coexist in the customer service domain? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The answer is a resounding yes. But how so? Well, imagine a beautiful symphony where AI and human customer service representatives work in harmony. AI, with its ability to tirelessly provide round-the-clock support, handles the routine queries. The moment a complex query comes up, the baton is passed to the human representative, who navigates through the intricacies with finesse. The human representative, with their capacity for empathy and personal touch, adds a dimension that AI, as of now, simply cannot replicate. They build connections, understand emotions, and tailor their responses to suit the customer's state of mind. This blend of technology and humanity can provide a seamless and positive customer experience, striking the perfect balance between efficiency and empathy. In conclusion, while machines are increasingly playing a role in customer service, they cannot replace the human touch. The future lies in effective human-machine collaboration.